boys and girls. Today we'll be correcting grammar page 19, so please get out your red pen. Make sure that any changes you need to make, you do in red pen. If you need to add a capital letter, if you need to add a word that you left out, if you need to put a period at the end, anything needs to be done in red pen. Okay, so on the last video we did number 1 and 2 together. Let's go ahead and correct the following sentences. So number 3, here's what it should look like. People weigh less on the moon because gravity is weaker there. All one thought. Because comes right in the middle of those two ideas. You need to have a capital letter and a period at the end. Make sure that all of your words are spelled correctly. There's no excuse for having misspelled words here. The words are right there for you, so double check your spelling as well. Number 4, here's what it should look like and sound like. I've studied stars and planets since I was 8 years old. Period at the end. Capital I on I. The conjunction since goes right in the middle, kind of where the period was. Make sure that all of your words are spelled correctly. Number 5 should look and sound like this. I always put on my spacesuit before I leave the ship. Period at the end. Conjunction before. Capital I at the beginning. Make sure all of your words are spelled correctly. Number 6. You can't breathe on the moon unless you bring an oxygen tank. Period at the end. Make sure you have the conjunction unless and a capital U at the beginning. Make sure all of your words are spelled correctly. Number 7. Earth looks like a big blue marble if you see it from outer space. Period at the end. Conjunction if. Oops, I made a mistake in there. This should be the word it. You always have to correct yourself. Okay, oops. And capital letter for on Earth, capital letter E on Earth. Make sure all of your words are spelled correctly. And the last one. This one's kind of hard to see. I apologize. I'll kind of slide it right in underneath this one. Number 8 should sound and look like this. Astronauts visited the moon, although the moon is over 250,000 miles away. Hopefully you can't see that on the video. So enter. Oops, give me a second. There we go. Slide this one out of the way for you. There. Make sure you have a period at the end. The conjunction although needs to be in there. And you need a capital A at the beginning. Make sure all of your words are spelled correctly. Once you've made all your changes, boys and girls, make sure that you take time to go back and do anything that you missed. And go ahead and hand this page in when you're done.